Happy morning, sir.
Very happy morning, Stuti. Where do you work?
I work at bank.
Yeah, what is your role at bank?
I'm assistant manager in CDD and CKYC cell, sir.
Yeah, and when do you go bank?
I go at 10 o'clock.
What do you do morning to evening?
First, after I reach bank and I go upstairs and I sign in register. And after complete my sign in register, I come to first floor.
Okay.
And I occupy my place and I log in my system and I go to cupboards and I take applications and I register in register.
Okay.
Next, come my I come to my chair. I scan the applications and I update details in system. I save in that details in system. Before lunch, I complete one batch and after lunch, I complete second batch.
Okay.
My manager orders you should complete two batches in every day. That's why I complete one batch before lunch and one batch after lunch.
Okay. Do you have colleagues?
Yes, sir.
How many colleagues are there?
There are 3 colleagues in my cell.
Yeah. Do you chit chat with them?
Yes, sir. I chit chat with them.
When do you return home?
I return at 5 o'clock.
After returning home, what do you do?
I return home and I fresh up
Next one.
and I sit on bed and I open my mobile and I watch status and I watch stories and I watch Instagram reels
Okay.
and etc.
Okay, nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.